Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5065789. Because of this error, that is your device is missing important security updates. So if you're receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run these two commands. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app and make sure that you open command prompt as an administrator and then click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. Once the scan is 100% complete, then run the second command. So once this is 100% complete, copy the second command and then paste it on the same window. And once the second scan, this scan is 100% complete, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, try to update. Still not working, the next step is to pause and restart the update. So you can go to Windows Update, and if you see retry option, hit retry to update, and then if retry does not work, you can click on retry and then pause the update. Pause. Once you pause it, once it is paused, now click on resume updates and let the update complete, and then you can check. Still not working, the next step is to start these services. Now for this, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Now find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. With this selected, make a right click and then click on restart. Now find Windows Update, scroll down here, you can see Windows Update, make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. With this selected, make a right click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. With this selected, again make a right click on restart. Now once done, now you can try to update your Windows 11 and then you can check. Still not working, the next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this, open this link in the browser, it will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description, and then write down the name of the update, that is KB5065789 and then click on search. And over here type in WINVER in Windows search box and then click on WinVer run command. And in my case it's version 24H2, so you can check which version you have. So it's version 24H2 in my case, and then check what kind of system you have. So you can go to system in Windows settings and then go to about option, and then here you can see 64-bit operating system. So for me it's Windows 11 version 24H2 x64 based system. This is the right one for me. Now if you have Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 based system, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. So click on download and then over here click on KB5065789, click on this and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, follow the on-screen instruction and you can install this update manually and then restart your computer and then check. Still not working, the next step is to use option fix problems using Windows Update. This is what worked for me. So you can open Windows settings, go to Windows Update and then go to advanced option and then go to recovery option over here. And over here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. And once this is done, restart your computer and then try to update. Still not working, the last step is to use media creation tool. Now for this, you can go to Microsoft website, the link is provided in the video description. Here you can see media creation tool, click on download now and then you can run this exe file. Now once you run this exe file, you will see this screen. You have to click on accept over here and then by default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next and then select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time, and once done, click on finish option. Once you hit finish, let it close automatically. Do not close this manually. It will take few seconds to close. Once done, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file and then make a double click on setup file, run the setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next over here and then click on accept. and here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So click on install. After the installation, log into the computer and then check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully on your Windows 11 computer, and you should not receive this error anymore. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.